A must-have cookbook for budding young chefs with over 50 mouth-watering recipes to help you cook with confidence. Introducing Cooking Step by Step, a brilliant cookbook for kids that will teach them how to chop, mix, and stir their way to kitchen magic and learn how to make perfect pasta, wonderful wraps and much more. Jam-packed with more than 50 delicious recipes that are easy to make, using readily available kitchen ingredients, and are tasty enough for the whole family to enjoy together. This #1 best-selling children's cookbook aims to teach young chefs aged 5 to 9 that cooking can be fun, educational and inspiring. Discover top tips, tricks, and kitchen fundamentals, all while having a great time making simple snacks, balanced meals, and sweet treats. Split into 3 core chapters, covering light bites including falafels and fluffy pancakes, then moving on to main dishes, such as sticky chicken and salmon parcels, and finally featuring sweet treats and bakes, like clever cookies, chocolate slabs, granola bars and so much more, proving something for every budding young chef to learn and discover, and plenty of delicious dishes for the whole family to enjoy together. Find the link below and buy the book now.